morning, sir. Welcome to Giardino Resort. May I assist you with check-in or are you here to inquire our services?
Actually, I just walked in. I'm here on business, but I have some free time tomorrow. Any chance you have something to recommend?
You've come to the right place, Mr. Magpantay. Let me just pull up your profile. Oh, I see. You stayed with us last year. Welcome back, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm Rain. I'll take this for you while you chat, sir. Would you like a welcome drink?
Yeah, sure.
Here's Jan. From our concierge team, we're happy to serve you with tours and activities.
Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Magpantay. I'm Jan. Are you looking for something memorable or are you into more culture, food, or nature?
Actually, I like all three.
Perfect. We will use sunset and culture gems. Tour is a half-day experience. It's a traditional lunch with local family and artisan market visits, include transport guide and photo pages.
Sounds interesting, but I'm not sure if I have that much time.
Then maybe the Express City site tour, e-vehicle chauffeured, includes the skip the line to Heritage Museum. You way back in Dino.
That could work. What's the rate?
1,800 per person, sir. But for our returning guests, it 1,500. And if you book now, we include complimentary spa voucher first later.
Yes, a 20 minutes foot massage at our garden spa. Perfect after a day of touring.
You guys are good at this. Fine. Book me at that tour.
Hello, Mr. Magpantay. I'm Monica. I will be your tour guide tomorrow. We will meet here at 2 p.m. sharp. Here is your unitary initial fee. Any local snack to get you excited.
Thank you.
Mr. Magpantay, after your tour, may I suggest our sunset dinner menu on the rooftop, sponsored seafood, and live acoustic music.
You guys really know how to upsell, but in a good way.
Good morning, Mr. Magpantay. I am the manager. We believe in making every moment counts. Mr. Magpantay, thank you for choosing Garjan Hotel.
Honestly, I'm glad I walked in. This turned into a little gateway.
Thank you, sir. At our garden.
Anong spa?
Hi!
Pero hindi ka mag-i-assist nito.
Or are you into more
Ice coffee, please. Ice coffee.
Stop. Ulit.